So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for being here to support and celebrate the bright young industry marketeers from some of the top brands in India. I'm your host, Ratnika Vyas, and it gives me immense pleasure to be here today. Well, Digital 40 Under 40 in its inaugural year is an initiative to pick the most talented, the most creative, and enterprising young professionals aged 40 years and under. Well, 2020 has been a challenging time for many of us, but young marketeers whose names you find on the list have gone beyond expectations and have been instrumental in achieving some great results for their respective organizations and brands. And of course, before we move forward, we'd like to thank our partners. Well, presented by Times Now, as you know, the action begins here, co-powered by partners. We serve people-based marketing made sharper. Indian Express Brand Studio, well, our partners for the AVs, please, E4M, BW, and Times Now.
In the world of business, when you think BW Business World. Spanning across platforms from print to the fast-growing digital space, from custom events to insightful industry books, BW Business World continues to capture a critical market space. Enjoying over 1.2 million engaged reader base, we have replicated this success in digital, with a six-fold growth in the past 1 year. So who is the BW audience? Our magazine readers are the cream of the crop business professionals spread across industries and niche communities. BW Digital engages with a much larger audience, hailing majorly from India and US. We also reach diverse markets including UK and Saudi Arabia. The BW Print universe comprises of BW Business World, BW Smart Cities, BW Hotelier, BW Applause, BW Education, and BW People, each profiling industry leaders and niche sectoral stories. BW Digital communities target niche segments like startups, CIOs, smart cities, defense, amongst a range of other fields, with a following of millions of unique digital users. BW Business World is an industry leader in curating a plethora of IPRs. With multiple industry stakeholders under one roof, BW IPR events generate superlative content. BW Engage offers bespoke brand solutions across functions with inputs from the award-winning BW editorial team. We design and execute a 360-degree marketing model, resulting in top-of-mind recall and a large BW Engage client patronage. Why engage with us? We have an award-winning editorial team. We forecast new scoops and future trends before any of our competitors. We provide 360-degree brand solutions, and our clients are always happy with the ROI. This is just a glimpse of our client endorsements. To subscribe to our print patronage, visit subscribe.businessworld.in. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. You can also connect with us on WhatsApp on businessworld.in/WhatsApp.
Thank you. And while we are infamous for pushing boundaries in marketing, pushing the boundaries of mobile advertising, We Serve is bringing transaction behavior, targeting to the forefront with its pool of 400 million plus user profiles. I now request the AV for We Serve, please.
Endorsed by 100 plus brands from 15 plus categories. We are India's most authentic audience marketplace. Introducing VServe Authentic Audience Data. Now achieve sharper in-target audience that directly drives engagement. Engagement that leads to business impact with VServe Authentic Audience Data. Bringing to you transacting and highly precise audiences from the leading payment gateway, B2B marketplace, telco, locations, and apps. You can reach audiences across spends categories such as food, OTT, e-commerce, insurance, and more. With rich insights on consumers' affluence and spend affinity, reach decision makers across metros, Tier 1, Tier 2 cities. Choose these precisely segmented audiences for your campaign across OTT, programmatic, and social platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Numbers don't lie. 50 plus successful brand campaigns activated on OTT channels, with video view rates going beyond the roof. 2 times more engagement rate on display campaigns. vServe is adding performance to your social media campaign. Get superior in-target audience reach and pull the blanket from advertising with vServe authentic audience data. People-based marketing made sharper.
All right, thank you so very much. Well, that was great insight. And I must mention that we should definitely continue to tweet and share winning moments and experiences about the event using the hashtag E4M Digital 40 under 40. Well, we must celebrate and congratulate some amazing future leaders and go-getters. To begin, it gives me great pleasure to invite Dr. Anurag Batra, Chairman and Editor. Please put your hands together, everyone. In Chief, Exchange for Media and Business World, to say a few words.
Thank you, Ratnika. Please
Recording
give
in
Ratnika a big
progress.
round of applause. She's been hosting the events since the morning. So well done, Ratnika. No pronunciation mistakes. Sometimes feel in BW applause and everything experiential, we should run a workshop on English speaking for some of our anchors. Do it free for them, okay? But on a serious note, let me start the evening by welcoming all of you to the first event after a long time, which is physical, which is face-to-face, where the masks are off, people are happy to meet each other. So let me start by welcoming all of you to this Exchange for Media Digital 40 under 40 evening. Let me welcome our chief guest, Mr. CVL Srinivas, who's the country manager of WPP. So please give Mr. CVL Srinivas a big round of applause. I'd also like to welcome Mr. Avinash Pandey, who's the CEO, Group CEO for ABP News Network. Please give Mr. Pandey a big round of applause. Would like to welcome all our partners, vServe, Times, Indian Express, for partnering on this pioneering initiative. Initiatives, events, businesses, ideas are like children. Over a period of time, they start to create impact. Even children become aspirational. I learn a lot from my 2 teenage children. This is the first year of the initiative. You'll shortly watch the AV. When you'll see the list, Mr. Pandey asked for the list yesterday. Today in the morning, Anant almost gave the names away by talking about some of the companies, but the list of winners has winners or leaders from every domain of the ecosystem, from large established players who have digital heads, very sophisticated marketing services teams, to Indian companies that are trying to play catch up, to startup founders, to entrepreneurs. The only thing I would have liked to see even more women. It has marketeers, it has agency executives. So it is really a good mix for the first year. And we got an overwhelming response to the first year. I can tell you 2 of my very close friends, their sons applied. One was shortlisted, one wasn't, they haven't made it. And they both called me in the morning to ask me, and I said they hadn't made it. So really, that's real. I don't want to give their name, both are big people in the business. But that's the kind of credibility. We do everything through a jury process. So those who have won and are here, those who have won and will join virtually, should know that this is really as transparent, honest, and robust it gets, as it with all Exchange for Media initiatives. I'll only say that going forward, winning is only about 3 things. First, compassion. If you are more compassionate to human beings, including yourself, don't count yourself out. It's good to look for others, but look for yourself. Second, accepting yourself as you are. A lot of people have trouble accepting themselves. They want to be like when I grow up, I wanted to be like Srini. Now that Mr. Pandey is there, I'm confused whether I want to be like Mr. Pandey or like Mr. Srini, right? But jokes apart, the fact is we have to be comfortable in our skin while we move to the next level. And third is clearly getting out of our comfort zone, whether it's in learning, whether it's in the size of responsibility, new skills. And Corona has given us a new life. We are all lucky to be alive. Everything else is a bonus, whether we make more money, if the valuation is more than Vijay Shekhar Sharma's company or more than Nykaa. All that is a bonus, right? We got to enjoy life. I think if we don't know that, and we're all human, sometimes we go back to our past behaviors. It's very difficult to change. So really, future is about compassion. Future is about accepting oneself, and future is about unlearning, relearning, and getting out of your comfort zone. So I don't want to stand between you, our chief guest address, our guest of honor's address, the jury AV, and finally the winners. I also have Mr. Mahinder Swaroop, who spoke in the morning, who's again somebody who's done pioneering work in the media domain, and more importantly, has continued to reinvent Cell by being an investor. He was involved with the first acquisition of a digital agency by WPP, which was Quasar, which Manish Vish and his friends started and then brought in Mr. Swaroop, and he really helped them make the exit. Last but not the least, I would also like to welcome Mr. Daksh Bhardwaj, who's been my friend for the last 27 years. He's an architect, par excellence. He designed the Meridian Hotel, some of the iconic buildings in Delhi, but has interest in Vedas. Mr. Amit Gujral, Mr. Siddharth Butalia. If I took everyone's name, the awards will have to wait, so I'll get off the stage, and I'd like to request everyone to keep their speeches short and brief so that we can get on with the award ceremony. Thank you so much. Do cheer the winners, because someday you'll be on stage and you'll need the cheer. Thank you. Good evening. God bless you.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Batra. We're thrilled to have our chief guest, Mr. CVL Srinivas, Country Manager, WPP India, to join us this evening. So I request him to please come on stage and say a few words to young industry stars before we formally announce the list. Can we please put our hands together? Thank you.
Thank you, Anurag and Naval, for inviting me. Actually, it's a great honor for me to be sharing the room with all the stars of the digital world and those who couldn't make it today. So congratulations to all of you to have made it to this list. Don't really have any major address or anything like that. It's been a very tough year for all of us. So I think there are moments like these which we really need to celebrate. And thanks for restarting events so that we can actually meet people in person. It makes so much of a difference. I've been here for just under 2 hours, I guess, but I've never felt so good in a long time. So congrats once again to all of you. And like Anurag said, yes, compassion for each other, compassion for the planet, compassion obviously for business and brands. I guess that is anyway there. But yeah, we just keep the compassion going. And all the very best once again to all of you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd now like to invite our guest of honor of the night, Mr. Avinash Pandey, CEO, ABP Network. I request you to please come on stage and share a few words with us. Louder, please, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you, Naval. Thank you, Anurag, for calling me here. I'm actually very humbled to be here because I never made it to any list, ever. You know, when Anurag started 30 under 30, I had already crossed 30. So he said, you become jury member. Slowly, I graduated to jury chair. Then when I crossed 40, he said, I'm starting 40 under 40. So now you should start judging that award. So I missed all of that. Never made it to the list, but I'm so proud to be amongst you today. My office gave me a long speech to read, which I safely read it and kept it in my pocket, because what Anurag said, that the biggest celebration today that most of us are doing is that we are alive. A lot of our colleagues are no more with us. It's one of the first event in Delhi happening from E4M side after COVID. As a media organization, and many of you work in media in one way or the other. You would have worked with us, with ABP Network. Much of what we do cannot happen at home. And thus, we were supposed to step out and work during these times. During the same time, for the period in consideration for which you are going to get the award, many of you stepped outside your boundary, worked overnight, and did some amazing work. I definitely asked for the list to see who is getting the award, and I let me tell you the kind of work that I Googled about it. I did some research and I saw what integrations you have done with social media platforms. Did some innovation on apps, both media buying agency and the creative side of the business. It's outstanding. I wish you all the luck. Those who made it, definitely you need a cheer. Those who could not, I'm telling you, you made it hard. Next year will be here for 40 under 40 if you still don't cross your age in certificate. Yeah, because this is what as a jury member we look forward to. Thank you so much for calling me here again.
All right, thank you so much, sir. Well, and to continue the journey from the inaugural edition of these awards, we now take you through a short audio-visual journey, Digital 40 Under 40 Awards 2021, for which I'd like to request the AV, please.
The first edition of Digital 40 Under 40 is an initiative from the Exchange for Media Group to pick the 40 most talented individuals aged 40 years and under in the Indian media, brands and advertising ecosystem. Over the years, the platform has been recognized and acknowledged for its role in identifying the best young leaders of the digital industry. Through a rigorous and exhaustive jury process, the list recognizes the brightest, most deserving young talent, acknowledged by their peers and senior industry leaders for making a difference for their outstanding work over the past year. To arrive at the Digital 40 Under 40 list for 2021, the first step was a call for nominations. This year, we received over 200 nominations from across the industry and filtered them initially on the basis of background, contribution to digital marketing, digital transformation, related areas, industry, society, and industry relevance to present a shortlist for evaluation to the jury. A high-powered jury chaired by Kulmeet Bawa, President and Managing Director, SAP Indian Subcontinent, then went through the shortlist and scored the entries to arrive at the end result. The Digital 40 Under 40 list that showcases the best young talent and bright industry leaders of the future. The year 2021 has been one that we have never seen before, which is why going through the incredible entries this year was pretty special for the jury members. The nominations they reviewed showcased just how well the young industry talent stepped up to the new challenges brought on last year and truly proved their mettle. Here's a quick look at the fantastic jury leaders who were part of the jury this year.
Thanks. It's been a great experience. Of course, judging virtually is never easy, but then it's, digital 40 by 40. So I think judging them virtually is also quite apt. And it was a very, very good experience judging these quality candidates today. What differentiates, the winners from people who did not win? For me, one is really the sense of passion, and it really, even comes through their body language. And second is having a strong view, which really came across when we had the Q&A session.
There were some extremely interesting entries and very diverse. I think that's what I like. There was a whole spectrum of people who worked on the corporate side and people who are just incredible entrepreneurs and creating amazing businesses. So I think for the first edition, it is truly commendable to see the kind of quality that we had. For me, I think the criteria I was looking at is the kind of impact that people are able to have, the kind of passion and drive that they have for the area, and sort of an assessment of where they're likely to go, given what their plans are and what capabilities they seem to be exhibiting.
The jury paid attention to certain criteria when determining the names on the list. All the entrants got a chance to be presented and pitch their nomination in front of the jury, and following some intense discussion and debate, the esteemed jury arrived at the final list of the 40 under 40 achievers for 2021.
How passionate were they in the business that they were, that they are in now, in terms of, the impact that they're having from a performance point of view? The second criterion was what's the potential that they seem to have in terms of making an impact in the future, because clearly they've got a long runway. The third that I was trying to see was, were they leaders with purpose? And, purpose in two ways. One is in terms of using their digital skills in terms of making an impact either in the community, in their own area of expertise, or as leaders of themselves, in terms of how they were managing themselves and the teams that they worked with and the ecosystem that they worked with.
To me, there are two very important things that are changing in the world today, and one is value-based buying. So anybody who's clearly creating more consumer value has a better chance of sustaining it long term. So whatever growth we are seeing is going to be sustained long term if there is a higher value base that's getting created. So that was criteria one for me. And secondly, I was looking at it from a more humane aspect. How many lives would this gentleman or lady have touched? So those to me, so while there were other things, but back in my mind, these were two things that really were making me decide whether it's a go or a no.
To the winners, I think congratulations. You guys are the leading lights, the young folks who are going to be the future of this industry. So keep building on all your successes, and can't wait to see what else you'll achieve. And for people who are not on the list, I just say, I think just keep doing what you're doing. I think just being nominated and being part of this itself is a great achievement. And I'm sure you have great things in store. And sometimes not winning is even more valuable than winning, because there are learnings that are embedded there. So take those learnings and get even better going forward.
So I think getting nominated today itself is a big achievement. So my congratulations to everyone who's won today.
A special thank you to each of our jury members for the time and effort they've put in to bring out the list. We congratulate all the winners as we move towards the moment we've all been waiting for, the unveiling of the top 40 brightest young leaders of the future.
All right, it looks like the nominees are ready to write books on encouragement, because they're so good with their words. Well, thank you very much. Well, I now request our special guests to come on stage and do the unveiling of the cover of Digital 40 Under 40. Well, we kickstart with inviting Dr. Anurag Batra, Chairman and Editor-in-Chief, Exchange for Media and Business World, along with Mr. CVL Srinivas, Country Manager, WP BP India, Mr. Naval Ahuja, Co-Founder, Exchange for Media. Can we please keep those? Thank you. I didn't even have to complete my sentence. Thank you so much. Mr. Naval Ahuja, Co-Founder, Exchange for Media, Mr. Avinash Pandey, CEO, ABP Network, Mr. Amit Gujral, Marketing Head, JK Tires, Mr. Siddharth Butalia, CMO, AirAsia, Mr. Mahendra Swaroop, Founder and Managing Partner, Ankurit Capital. Thank you. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Louder.
One of our jury members, Ms. Subi Chaturvedi, who's at Zupi, she's part of the senior leadership. She's a winner. Now you know why I'm on the list. I'm getting old. If you want to give me almonds so that I have better brains, most welcome. Okay.
All right. I request you to please keep those tweets and conversations coming. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget the hashtag E4M Digital 40 under 40. Well, now, of course, is the moment we've all been waiting for. It is time, ladies and gentlemen, to announce the names of the 40 brilliant young minds that feature on the hashtag E4M Digital 40 under 40 awards. Louder, please. Come on. You're a wonderful audience. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, Mr. Batra. Thank you so very much to each and every single one of you. All right. And so, ladies and gentlemen, to give away our first set of awards, I'd like to invite Mr. Naval Ahuja, co-founder, Exchange for Media, along with Mr. CVL Srinivas, country manager, WPP India, with Mr. Avinash Pandey, CEO, ABP Network, and of course, Dr. Anurag Batra, chairman and editor-in-chief, Exchange for Media and Business World. I request you to please come on stage to give away our first set of awards. How excited are we? Yeah? Are we looking forward? All right, so should we get started, ladies and gentlemen? I know you are very eager. So can we please have the AV for this?
The first winner of the evening is Abhinav Iyer, Muthoot Finance.
Well, many congratulations. Well, he of course joined us virtually, and he is an extensively creative and innovative marketing strategist with over 16 years of rich experience in the field of marketing and digital strategy and digital-led marketing transformation, both in the Indian and in the UK markets. Can we please put our hands together?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I request you to please say a few words.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Anurag Batra. Thank you, Exchange for Media. Thank you, the entire jury. First and foremost, I feel extremely humbled. It's a great privilege to be part of this maiden and the first edition of Digital 40 under 40. More than winning, to be adjudicated by such an illustrious panel of eminent marketers itself is an honor and a privilege for me. I feel extremely humbled. Thank you very much, the entire jury and the entire group at Exchange for Media. I also would like to thank my entire team. For us at Muthoot Finance, digital is beyond performance and social. It's also about how we can bring convenience to the life of our customers. We serve more than 2.5 lakh customers every day through our network of 5,000 branches. So for a brand like us, which has moved from a purely brick and mortar model to a heavily inclined digital model itself is a big journey. And I feel extremely privileged to be acknowledged for this effort over the last 2 years particularly. Thank you once again. Extremely humbled and feel extremely blessed. Thank you once again.
Many congratulations.
And one of the reasons he won is because he's promised gold coins for everyone from Muthoot. So we'll send you the address of everyone in the audience, and thank you so much for that.
Thank you. Thank you. Happy to.
All right. So thank you so very much. The next winner on the list is Mr. Amit Rathi, Country Manager, South Asia.
The next winner is Amit Rathi at Colony, a digital tribune company.
Many congratulations. Well, he embodies exceptional leaders naturally possess. Great foresight and excellent interpersonal skills, warm and relatable as a personality, has allowed him to build strategic relationships and lead teams that set the organization up for great success. Many congratulations, sir. Many congratulations to you.
That's my first award of 40 under 40 and just the 40 on 9. So it's been an honor for that. Yeah. Okay. I'd like to thank E4M and my mentors who trained me and all those things to be deserved for this award, and really thankful and humble to all the juries who have selected me for this, and it's a very proud moment for me. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Many congratulations, very well deserved. And the next winner on the list is Miss Anushri Bose, Manager PR Marketing
The
and
next
AM
winner
from
is
Swatch India Private Limited.
Anushri Bose, Swatch India.
Well, she is the brand and marketing strategist who's worked across retail, FMCG and telecom over 14 years with leaders like Swatch, Reliance and Canon to launch and grow their brands and categories. Can we please put our hands together? Many congratulations.
Thank you so much. I feel really humbled and privileged to have received this award, and it's a proud moment for me. Thanks a lot.
All right, moving on to our next winner for this evening, Miss Ashima Kakkar, Head of Marketing
The
from
next
NLB
winner is
Technologies.
Ashima Kakkar, NLB Technologies.
Well, behind the ideation and execution of several initiatives across her career, be it policy, advocacy, she created revenue streams and entered new markets. And during the course of her career, she partnered with global influencers such as WEF, Wall Street Journal, GSMA, IBC, and many more. Please, louder, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Many congratulations, Ashima. Say something.
They say all debuts are great, and just at the brink of 40, another debut. So thank you so much, and thank you Exchange for Media, thank you to the entire team, and yeah, this encourages me to do much more work, and with digital there's lots of miles to cover, so thank you so much.
All right, and so we move on to our next winner, that is Mr. Chirag Galundia, National Director,
next winner
Wavemaker
is
India.
Chirag Galundia, Wavemaker.
Currently building and leading e-commerce practice at Wavemaker India. He comes with over 10 years of work experience across e-commerce, internet, media. He's been a part of e-commerce ecosystem since 2010. Fortunate to see Elovution up close and proud to have worked with iconic brands and leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, louder please. Put your hands together. Please say something.
Thank you Anurag, and thank you the E4M team. Thank you to Wavemaker and WPP, which is a great place to work, and great to be part of this list with such great. Thank you.
Well, thank you, Mr. Avinash, for being with us. Thank you. Please enjoy the evening. I now request Mr. Mahendra Swaroop, founder and managing partner, Ankurit Capital, to join us on stage to give the next set of awards. We welcome him. Please put your hands together for Mr. Mahendra Swaroop. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us. All right. We now move on to the next winner on the list. Well, that is Dinesh Ganti, CEO Digital.
The next winner is Dinesh Gandhi, Digital Kites.
All right. Well, Mr. Dinesh, we've been fortunate to have you. Well, he's experienced in a variety of roles in the ad tech space and founded Digital Kites with a mission of building a new age collaborative ecosystem where brands and publishers can collaborate at scale. I request you to please say a few words and many congratulations.
I hope you can hear me all right. Thank you so much. It's wonderful. Congrats to the entire Exchange for Media team for putting together such an event in such a short notice. And the entire process online happened so seamlessly, so I congratulate the team. And I would just like to say that this award is a cumulative effort of all my team members and my colleagues that have worked with me in the past, and just given me the opportunity to present that work in front of you. So this award belongs to all my mentors, managers, peers, colleagues that have worked with me and put together. And it's a pleasant surprise to see VServe as one of the co-sponsors. They were one of my earlier employees, so and my mentors, Ashay and Deepak. So that is a very, very pleasant surprise. So thank you. Have a great evening.
Thank you. Please put your hands together. Congratulations and thank you for joining us virtually. Well, our next winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Mr. Faizan Ahmed, National Head.
The next
Digital
winner is
Transformation from the Hindu
Faizan
Group.
Ahmed, the Hindu Group.
Well, he's driven, he's intelligent and digital sales professional with a track record of delivering results. Well, he excels not just in being a part of the team, but also leads it. Currently leading digital sales for the Hindu Group digital portfolio and creating a journey by reskilling the sales force and creating a sustainable revenue growth roadmap. It was great to listen to you during the panel, sir. Thank you. Please say a few words.
So thank you Exchange for Media for featuring me. I think this award belongs to all the support provided by my mentor, my team member, and each and everyone there at the Hindu Group who believe that we can transform the digital revenue function with the support of integrated sales. So this is just an indication that we are on the correct path. We'll keep doing the good work. And I know all of us has went through a very tough time during COVID. So I think I should have to thank my wife to stand beside me during this tough time and helping me to work and focus on what we're supposed to do. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, sir. Well, we move on to our next winner, who's virtually joining us, Mr. Gaurav Midha, Senior Manager Marketing.
The next winner
Please put your
is
hands together.
Gaurav Midha, Titan Company.
Well, as the head of Tanishq's digital marketing practice, including the omni-channel and e-commerce aspects, Gaurav has truly managed to change the landscape for digital on Tanishq in the past 4 years. I request you to please say something.
Good evening, everyone. Really happy to be a part of the 40. A big thank you to the team at Exchange for Media and the jury. It was fantastic interacting with you guys, albeit virtually. And a big congratulations to the others on the list. Thank you. Truly humbled.
Thank you and many congratulations. Well, our next winner on the list is again joining us virtually, Geet Rathi, Creative Director, Design Director.
The next winner is
TBWA India.
Geet Rathi, TBWA India.
Congratulations. Well, Geet is one of India's foremost up-and-coming creative directors. She spearheaded form-bending design-led innovations like Blink to Speak, One Mindful Mind, Eat the Plant, Not the Planet, amongst many others. Please put your hands together. Please say a few words.
I'm really honored to win this and completely, gratitude. Thanks to the judges for reviewing my candidature. A big congratulations to all the other winners. And I really hope I can leverage this win and bring many more ideas, strong purpose throughout my career. Thanks again. Truly humbled and honored. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Well, the next winner on the list is Mr. Girish Singh, Chief Customer Officer, Metropolis
The next
Healthcare.
winner is Girish Singh, Metropolis Healthcare.
All right, Girish Singh is Chief Customer Officer at Metropolis Healthcare, and as an engineering student, Girish was working in tech as software developer for Silicon Valley startup. Wow. Many congratulations. Please say a few words.
I want to thank everybody here. I want to thank the entire jury for having the trust in me. It's a very humbling experience. And lastly, I want to say congratulations to all the other winners. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Well, the next winner on the list is Mr. Ishan Bose, Chief Marketing Officer.
The
Credit
next
B.
winner is Ishan Bose, Credit B.
Well, the founding member and marketing, sales and PR head of Credit B, India's largest fintech lending platform for young professionals. He led the new customer acquisition of over 5 million loan customers and 20 million loans on the platform since inception. Can we have a big round of applause? Many congratulations. I request you to please say a few words.
Sure. Thank you so much, Exchange for Media, for for giving me this award. I truly believe that when you're working in an ecosystem where you are working very closely on certain initiatives, specifically on the marketing sales side, it always helps to connect with more people through platforms like these and understand what's happening. And definitely, industry recognition is something I feel kind of gives you that impetus that you're moving in the right direction. So thank you so much, Exchange for Media, for considering me and putting up a lovely event out there. I would have loved to be there, but considering that I'm in Bangalore, I couldn't be. But nonetheless, thanks Exchange for Media, and congratulations to all the other winners as well. Thanks a lot.
Thank you and many congratulations. That was very well deserved. Well, thank you, Mr. Mahindra. Thank you for joining us. I request you to please see us later in the evening. I request Mr. Siddharth Butalia, Chief Marketing Officer, Air Asia, to come on stage to give the rest of awards. All right, and on that note, we now move on to our next winner. I'm sure we're all very excited. Well, the next winner on the list is Mr. Jahid Ahmed, Vice President and Head Digital Acquisition.
The next winner
Content and
is
Social Media Marketing at
Jahid
HDFC
Ahmed, HDFC Bank.
Well, a prolific digital marketer and disruptive thought leader, winning over 30 awards in a career spanning 15 years. A regular speaker at various digital forums and summits, regularly using his intelligence along with available data and innovative technology to deliver outcomes for the brands he's worked for. Many congratulations, sir. Thank you for coming. Please say a few words.
I'll just kind of record this and send to my boss. The paragraph is good.
So what great. I think a captain is as good as the team. So this is for the team HDFC Bank. We always strive to set benchmarks in whatever we do. So be it digital or business, we always ensure that we are setting up the tone for the industry, always doing leadership activities and innovations. And here we are. When industry peers, stalwarts, and a coveted platform like Exchange for Media recognizes the work that we're doing, I think it's a great booster to us, and we'll strive to continue doing such activities. Thank you so much.
All right, congratulations. I'm sure you have your record. Well, our next winner on the list is Mr. Jatin Chikara, Lead Digital Global Brand, Royal
The next winner
Enfield.
is Jatin Chikara, Royal Enfield.
Congratulations. All right, he's already running up on stage. That's how excited he is. Well, he's not only a great marketer, but also deeply passionate about digital maven. He has an ability to zoom in and zoom out of brand strategy in digital marketing, from content to digital tooling and infrastructure. He has the ability to see the big picture and manage ops at a very granular level. Can we please put our hands together? Many congratulations and very well deserved. Please say a few words, sir.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. First of all, and thank you for this award. E4M in the first 40 under 40. It's start. I'm sure there's many more. And thank you to the members for selecting me. And of course, this goes to me, my team, and all the
All right, congratulations. Well, the next winner on the list is Mr. Jeet Sengupta, Director, Marketing, Z Bespoke,
The next winner
Z
is
Entertainment Enterprises.
Jeet Sen Gupta, Z Entertainment Enterprises Limited.
All right. So, Jeet's contribution to the digital space of Bhojpuri entertainment industry remains as a case of study on how thought leadership is key in identifying opportunity in a challenged environment through digital innovation. Many congratulations. I request you to please say a few words, sir.
Good evening, everyone. At Z Bioscope, which is a Bhojpuri movie channel, we believe in consumer centrism. We sharply deep dive into consumer insights, and we build our brand accordingly. Thank you so much, Exchange for Media and the entire jury panel. It was an amazing experience. A big thank you to my team at Z Bioscope, without whom none of these initiatives would have been possible. And I must also say that all of us who have been doing this great work through the pandemic time, we must thank our families, in my case, as my parents, because they have been facilitating a working environment at home while we were working from home and launching these campaigns. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This award is a responsibility to do even better in future. So from here, in the spirit of Z Bioscope, I would say, Aatho Pehriya, Luta Lehriya, 24/7 entertainment heaven. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jeet. I've always believed that gratitude is my superpower. Thank you so much. Well, I'd also like to thank Mr. Siddharth. Thank you so much for your time, sir. I'd now like to invite Mr. Amit Gujral, Head of Marketing, JK Tires, to join us on stage to give away the next set of awards. All right. And on that note, who is our next winner? I'm sure we're all excited and keen. Well, our next winner on the list, ladies and gentlemen, is Miss Kanika Mittal, Business Head Twitter.
The next winner is Kanika Mittal, Twitter.
All right, so Kanika is currently in digital first role as business head for Twitter India, leading revenue and brand solutions across industry verticals like auto, CPG, tech, OEMs, and so much more, making Twitter the map with both internal and external stakeholders and positioning it as a platform of choice for everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Please say a few words.
thank you so much, Exchange for Media, the jury members, and my employers, right from Tata Teleservices to Reebok to Twitter, and everyone who's played a wonderful role in my professional journey. But mostly, this is for you, mom and dad. This is my moment, and for my daughters, Sanika and Radhika. And I think the greatest joy in coming here today is just the ability to be able to make this video and then share it with my family. There's no greater joy, really. So just a really special thanks to the entire Exchange for Media family and everyone here for giving me this opportunity. Truly humbled, and have a wonderful evening, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kanika. Thank you. Well, that was very, very well said. And so, ladies and gentlemen, we have our next winner who's not with us, but we have Mr. Varun Ganju, Marketing Director from Alchemy Group. Well, Mr. Karan Gupta
The next winner is
the winner.
Karan Gupta, Alchemy Group.
Well, many congratulations. Karan abides by being a trendsetter and believes in deriving the first mover advantage. His vision to cultivate a series of changes in the Indian digital landscape. Thank you. Please say a few words. All right, I'd like to request Ms. Chaitali to please say a few words.
I'm definitely not Karan. Just taking the award on behalf of him. He's very thankful, very grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Well, our next winner on the list is Karan Rajpal, Head of Marketing, Dalmia.
The next
Bharat
winner
Group.
is Karan Rajpal, Dalmia Bharat Group.
Well, spending the last 13 years building digital marketing function from scratch at marquee brands, he received recognition, growth, and success on both business KPIs and creative intelligence. Please put your hands together. Congratulations. Thank you for being here with us. Please say a few words, sir.
Good evening, everybody. I collect this award on behalf of all my agency partners, my bosses and my mentors. Everything I presented to the jury, everything I speak about in daily life is a culmination of what people let me do. So thank you very much. Have a great evening. Thank you, Anurag and team. It's not only the first physical event in a long time, it's also perhaps one of the best physical and digital events I've seen where things are working, and I hope that continues to be the way. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Well, our next winner on the list is Kavya S. Abhishek, Digital Marketing Lead, India Salesforce.
The next winner is Kavya S. Abhishek, Salesforce.
And so Kavya is self-taught digital marketer, learning digital through grassroots blogging. She has the learnings from offline marketing to digital every day, solving for the last mile pain points for the end user and economic impact for a price-sensitive marketing. Can I request you to please come on stage? All right. Please say a few words. Thank you for joining us virtually.
No worries. Thank you. I'm glad I'm able to join you guys virtually. And thank you so much for the award. And congratulations to all of the winners on the list. And I would definitely like to thank E4M for putting this list together and recognizing all the pathbreakers and trailblazers. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Well, our next winner is Mr. Navkiran Singh, founder and CEO, Bazi Games.
The next winner is Navkiran Singh, Bazi Games.
Well, being a hardcore lover of poker and coming from a tech education background, it gives Navkiran a big edge as a leader. Since our industry is where the product is the king, he's very open on his outlook and is a keen observer. He's receptive to good things happening in the digital world and ideas being pitched by the people around him. Many congratulations and thank you very much for being here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please put our hands together? Please say a few words.
Did I begin to know myself, who I am?
Thank you everyone. On behalf of Navkiran, I would like to thank the jury today. Navkiran usually quotes Steve Jobs and he says, you know, if you are truly passionate about something, you'll have enough patience to make it a success. So I would like to congratulate all the passionate people who are the winners today. Cheers.
Thank you. All right, I'd like to thank Mr. Amit. Thank you for being here with us and we will see you just shortly. I'd now like to request Mr. Sanjay Sindwani, CEO, Indian Express Online. Absolutely, please do.
Congrats to E4M, and I think we have all been talking about a physical event in the era of COVID, so few words for Exchange for Media which are very, very apt today. वो कहते हैं ना, वापस आना पड़ता है, फिर वापस आना पड़ता है, कहाँ बंधी जंजीरों में हम जैसे लोगों की हस्ती, कहाँ फंसी जंजीरों में हम जैसे लोगों की हस्ती, ध्वंस हुआ विध्वंस हुआ भंवरों में कहाँ फंसी कश्ती, किस्मत से हर पन्ने पर किस्मत लिखवाना पड़ता है और अपने सूरज अपने हिस्से का सूरज भी खुद खींच कर लाना पड़ता है, वापस आना पड़ता है, फिर वापस आना पड़ता है। डॉक्टर बत्रा कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन।
वाह वाह और आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर, थैंक यू सो मच आपके शब्दों के लिए। Well, our next winner on the list is Mr. Neil Pandya, CEO, APAC, Pyxis One.
The next winner is Neil Pandya,
Thank
Pyxis
you.
One.
Thank you for being with us on the panel also today. An articulate and driven leader with high energy and engaging a personality, Neil's proficiency in building brands and leading large teams, projects, instantly identifying growth opportunities and thinking outside the box comes very naturally to him. Currently, he's taken on the role of Chief Executive Officer for APAC at Pyxis One and a global AI infrastructure startup. Can we please put our hands together, everyone? He was also with us on the panel. You'd like to say a few words?
First word which I will say is Pyxis, not Pyxis. Thank you so much, guys. I have a long laundry list of professional people to thank for, but there's only one side on the personal side of myself, which is my wife who's sitting here today. So I think she's the one who's deserving this award. And apart from that, I think I really feel this is for Pyxis One. I think there's bigger, better, and bolder news coming in soon. And Batra will help us to cover that as well. Thank you so much, Anurag sir, and thank you, people. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Also, you can congratulate him and his wife. While they're married, the official ceremony is on 24th, 25th, 26th, and you're invited, all of you, to Goa. Okay? Please send your personal charter. If you, right? Mr. Pandey, I made the compensation here. Okay?
All right. Well, many congratulations. Our next winner is Niyati Shah, Enterprise Marketing Lead, Spotify India.
The next winner is Niyati Shah, Spotify India.
All right. Well, apart from being here, Niyati has had the good fortune to work with organizations that are world leaders in their sectors, giving her the chance to deliver some groundbreaking work. In her journey so far, she was blessed to be present at the cusp of data, e-com, and now the content revolution in India. Well, please put your hands together. Congratulations. Please say a few words.
Thank you, Exchange for Media, for this award. I am really humbled, and this is a great encouragement. Of course, I have all my industry mentors and leaders to thank for. All the companies I worked for, Airtel, Myntra, and now Spotify. I was blessed to be working with such amazing companies. But the biggest thank you goes to my mother and to my family who's sitting there. All of them came to encourage me. So I love you all. Thank you.
Congratulations. Well, our next winner on the list is Prabveer Same, Senior Director, Samsung and
The
India
next winner
and
is
Southeast Asia.
Prabveer Same, Samsung.
Well, Prabveer had the privilege of seeing and learning from the beginning, individual co-authored web.com published by CSIR and NISCOM, a Government of India initiative to promote IT awareness and education. Please put your hands together. Many congratulations, sir. Please say a few words.
I would say +1 to everything that everybody else has said before me. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, E4M, the jury. And they say 40 is the new 20, so the journey has just begun. Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Mr. Sanjay. Thank you for joining us. And I'd now like to request Mr. Gaurav Pava, VP Sales, VServe, to come and give the rest of the awards. Thank you. All right. Our next winner is virtually with us, Mr. Prateek Gupta and Suvir Bajaj, co-founder, Zoom Media and Foxy Moron. Suvir and Prateek catapulted it as one of the leading creative and digital media focused agencies in India, eager to take the next big step of establishing
The next
a
winner
homegrown
is Prateek Gupta and Suvir Bajaj, Zoom Media Private Limited.
True one-stop solution for a brand's every marketing need. Many congratulations and thank you for being with us virtually. Please say a few words.
Thanks,
Hi,
E4M.
guys.
Hi guys, I'm Suvir, that's Prateek. First of all, thank you to the DJ who's been playing some banging music and keeping us entertained on a Friday night. It really feels like a Friday night, even though we're stuck over here at home. Prateek, over to you.
No, thank you. Thank you, everybody. Yeah, the DJ has really been killing it. But thank you so much for everybody at the jury. And also, it's been strange times over the last few years. And we decided to take this leap of faith of building an organization with a bigger dream than we had before, while this whole world was going into lockdown. So it's not possible for us to have done this. And, firstly, obviously, thank you to Suvir for always being my support system. Thank you for all the people who have joined our network and, believed in our vision. Prachi, Rishabh, Sid, Arushi, all the incoming new partners that we're going to announce fairly soon. Thank you so much for believing in our vision. And I think that it's most apt that we thank families at this juncture because they've been amazing over the last so many years. And I don't think we'd be here without them. And obviously the team that works tirelessly to make us look this bloody good every time we are up here. So thank you, everyone. Sweet, if there's anything that you'd like to add.
Thanks, Anurag, for putting this platform together, for giving industry professionals like ourselves to get recognized on a platform like this. And thank you to the entire E4M team. Congratulations to all the winners and thanks to the jury once again. Have a good night.
Thanks. Good night.
All right. Well, many congratulations and very well deserved. We now move on to our next winner for the evening, Mr. Pritesh Chautani, co-founder and CEO, Ivoco
The next winner
Education
is
and Learning.
Pritesh Chautani, Ivoco Education and Learning.
Pritesh and his team have created impactful digital campaigns and products since 2009. As a brand manager, he has leveraged emerging tech solutions to create award-winning campaigns and created a crowdfunding campaign to serve free meals to 500 street kids every single day. Well, many congratulations. Very well deserved. Can we please have a loud round of applause? Ladies and gentlemen, these have been hot times during the pandemic.
Anurag sir, the entire jury members and team of Exchange of Media, thank you very much for this honor. Today is a special day not only for this award. We at HiVoco are on an audacious journey of creating a global kids media company out of India. And today we just filed for 2 patents. So along with this award, these 2 patents is a special day, and promise to all of you that we are going to make a great company out of HiVoco. So thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Well, our next winner on the list is Palak Sarma, Senior Vice President and Head Marketing.
The next winner
Kotak
is
General Insurance.
Palak Sarma, Kotak General Insurance.
Currently, Palak heads marketing at Kotak General Insurance, leading its digital footprint, direct-to-consumer product propositions and communications with an objective to make insurance purchase easier and simpler. Thank you for being with us. Can we please put our hands together?
Bringer of light, wisdom.
Many congratulations. We'd like to say a few words.
Thank you. I know thank you is such a cliche during such award ceremonies, but I really have to thank Anurag sir, Exchange for Media. Had you decided to do this event next year, I would not have qualified, so thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Gaurav, for being with us on stage. Please enjoy the evening. Thank you for being with us. I'd now like to invite Daksha Bhardwaj from Vedic Research Foundation to join us on stage and give the rest of the few awards. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us. Please put your hands together. Very warm welcome. All right. So we move on to our next set of awards. I'm sure each one of us is holding on to the energy and excitement. I hope that still exists. All right. So we have Riya Pandit from Lead Digital Analytics MG
The next
Motor
winner
India with
is
us.
Riya Pandit,
Congratulations.
MG Motor India.
Well, Riya is a young, data-driven digital marketer with expertise in rapid brand growth by delivering rich omni-channel customer experience through digital transformation, process automation, brand marketing, online reputation, and crisis management. You name it and she's there. One of her key achievements has been setting up a seamless customer experience under the Digital Transformation Project for MG India. Can we please put our hands together? Many congratulations. Very well deserved. Please say a few words.
Thank you, E4M, for this wonderful recognition. I am honored and elated to be a part of such an incredible set of digital minds that our industry has. I'd also like to thank all my mentors who guided me through this journey. At MG, we believe in enabling exciting experiences every time, and we will continue to do that. Thank you once again, and congratulations to all the winners.
All right, thank you. All right, for all the women who are doing so well and the men. All right, our next winner is Mr. Rohit Uttam Chandani, founder.
The next winner is
Tachyon.
Rohit Uttam Chandani, Tachyon.
Rohit is one of India's leading digital consultants and has worked with clients across various sectors to craft their digital strategy, scale their online presence, and leverage digital media to achieve their business goals. Can we please put our hands together for Mr. Rohit? Many congratulations.
In this
Please
way,
say a few
I
words.
begin to know myself, who I am.
Good evening, everyone. Honored and delighted to be on the first Digital 40 Under 40 list. Thank you so much to the Exchange for Media team for putting this list together, to the jury for selecting me. It feels absolutely wonderful to be sharing this space with so many other leaders in the digital industry. Thanks a lot. A big thank you to my family, my friends, my colleagues who've been a constant source of support and encouragement throughout my career in digital, spanning the last decade. So recognitions like this keep you going in a space like digital, which is challenging yet exciting. Thanks everyone, thanks a lot. Congratulations to all the winners and have a great evening. Thank you.
I'd like to thank Mr. Daksh for being with us on stage. I'd now like to request Mr. Gautam Madhavan, founder and CEO from Mad Influence, to join us on stage to give the rest of the awards. Thank you. Thank you so much. And our next winner is not here with us from Talk Inc. Well, we have Nitika on his behalf. And the winner is Saket Dandotia.
The next winner is Saket Dandotia, Touch Inc.
Well, Saket has taken his organization from 4 to 200 plus of employees, a size to $1 billion valuation by implementing process and change management with every 4 to 5 years during 11 years of his journey. He's mentored HK and Tokyo startups and even worked under the likes of Toyota, Warner Bros. And so many other companies. Thank you and many congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, we must not forget to put our hands together. We'd like to say a few words. All right, so we move on to our next winner. That is Sangeet Shirodkar, CEO Cineblitz of Spin. Can we please put our hands together? Many congratulations.
The next winner is Sangeet Shirodkar, Cineblitz of Spin.
Thank you for making it. Sangeet began his career as an award-winning prodigy journalist for The Telegraph. To his claim, he has more than 800 printed bylines. His list of exclusives include former President APJ Abdul Kalam, Nobel laureate Amartya Sen, author Dominique Lapierre, amongst so many others. Can we please put our hands together? Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you so very much. You'd like to say something?
Thank you so much for having me on this list. I'm indeed delighted to be on this. And Mr. Batra just asked me, is it the old Cineblitz? Yes, it is. And I'm really under hard pressure to do justice to the brand, which we acquired a couple of years back. This brand was led by greats like Lucy Karanje and Dr. Rita Mehta. And I think I'm glad that we're on the digital list that shows the way forward for the brand from a physical hardcore magazine brand to a digital brand today. Thank you so much again. This was not easy for us with lockdown happening. I would like to thank my wife who always stood by with me and my little 18-month-old child who's seen through everything. Thank you so much again.
All right, thank you. Okay, so our next winner is Shraddha Agarwal, COO and Strategy Head.
The next winner is Shraddha Agarwal, Grapes Digital.
But she's not here with us. We have somebody on her behalf. When she, a digital strategist with deep knowledge on all four brand space, creative technology, media, capability to suggest an idea with a client or to the best of their vendors are never able to imagine and execute in the stipulated time frame. Many congratulations. You'd like to say something? All right, we move on to our next winner on the list, Subhi Chaturvedi, Chief Corporate and Public Affairs Officer, Zupi. Thank you.
The next winner is Subhi Chaturvedi,
And she wears many hats
Zupi.
indeed. A proven storyteller who can start conversations, debate with the best and speak with purpose in order to bridge gaps and hold important conversations. She's previously been on some great forums in the world and has been on, she's been a part of some of the most important conversations. Thank you so much for being here with us. Congratulations. Please put your hands together while you enjoy your wine and your drink. I can see these great, lovely smiles from where I'm standing. Please say something.
Hello and good evening. I'm very conscious of the fact that I'm between you and some amazing dinner, knowing Anurag and the entire E4M team and their hospitality. But a few words of thanks before we give you some food for the stomach. There's some food for thought. I'm truly, truly grateful, and I do want to take a minute and thank everyone who's on this list. And all the women, especially, I counted there were 13, so we are 33% in terms of representation. We're going to get there. And I do want to thank Anurag and the A4M team, as well as the jury members, for being here in person, for inspiring us with your energy, for telling us that we can do this, that we can go after whatever we want. Digital is us. It's native to us. We come from the internet. It belongs to us. And the fact that so many of us are online, it tells you about passion. It tells you about the power of purpose. And it really teaches you that if you have self-belief, there's really nothing that can stop you. And that is why this list, and you can never have too many of awards, means so much to us, because you celebrate our work and you give us inspiration to do so much more. So thank you for all the women who are in the room and those who are outside. I accept this on behalf of my organization and my team. Thank you so, so very much. Thank you.
Yes, undoubtedly, congratulations to all the women, and the men should also not feel bad. Yes. All right, we have more winners. So the next winner on the list is Mr. Suneet Jain, Managing Director, Inside Brandcom Private Limited.
The next winner is
Thank
Suneet
you
Jain,
for the loud
Inside
round of applause.
Brandcom.
Without making a mention already, well, he is the founder and managing director of Inside Brandcom Private Limited, IBPL, which completes a decade of its existence later this year in September. Suneet is also the founder and publisher of G+, a print and digital tabloid in Guwahati. G+ is the foremost digital news and content channel operating in Northeast with 48 million reach every single month. Louder. Congratulations. Congratulations and very well deserved. Would you like to say a few words?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Anurag, for curating this initiative, bringing it together this year, Digital 40 Under 40. I think it's a very incredible list of people under 40 years of age from different spaces, different sectors, different, because within digital also there are so many areas and functions, and the list has been beautifully prepared and selected, I think, very deservingly for the game that I'm very, very thankful for having you for making this happen. To all the jury members, and thank you to my team. Thank you particularly to my clients for this given us the opportunity to work in the
All right, congratulations, and that was very well said. Thank you. All right, so we've finally reached our last winner on the list. All right, and that is Miss Vishali Shah, CEO and Creative Head, Moving Pixels
And the
Private
last winner of the
Limited.
evening is
Congratulations.
Vaishali
She's
Shah,
also on the panel with
Moving
us.
Pixels.
With some amazing things to share. Vaishali's journey began a decade ago, ladies and gentlemen, when she discovered her passion for poetry and creating meaningful writing. Having started with penning down her emotions and feelings, in the best of words, she eventually developed the knack for understanding people around, their emotions, thoughts, and sentiments, which helped her in drawing the essence of people into her campaigns. How lovely. She joined Moving Pixels as a copywriter and built her own team, and within a decade of bringing successful advertising and film campaigns to life. Well, many congratulations to you. Would like to say something?
Parents, teachers, बापू बाबू, Exchange for Media, और वो सब जो मेरे साथ सपने देखते हैं और भागकर, दौड़कर, उड़कर उन्हें मेरे साथ पूरा करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
जी हाँ, आपका भी बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so very much, Vaishali. Very, very congratulations. My sincerest congratulations to all the bright young professionals on this year's list. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for making the time to be here and cheer for our young winners. Can we please have a last big round of applause?
This way did I begin to know myself.
Can I request everybody, all the winners, to please come on stage for a special photograph? I'd like to request our special guests also to not forget and join us on stage.
Mr. Pandey, Mr. Gujral, Mr. Butalia,
All right. So you obviously get major bragging rights for this huge honor, which is why we will share with some amazing cool creatives for your social media pages. Remember to add the hashtag E4M Digital 40 under 40 to each and every single one of your posts on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, everywhere where you're going to be bombarding about today's highlights. Well, to conclude tonight's event, I'd like to invite request Mr. Naval Ahuja to please join us on stage and share the vote of thanks. I'd like to request the E4M team members and also Exchange for Media Group team members to come up on stage for their special photograph.
Before we go, a big round of congratulations to all the winners. It's a very proud moment for all of you and your families, but one final thought I want to leave you with. While we all proudly and rightly celebrate the recognition these 40 achievers have received today, let us also spare a big thought moment for all the unsung heroes who've been part of these teams, who worked as hard, and we all have many colleagues, team members who put their head down day in and day out, work tirelessly behind the scenes without seeking recognition. So I think apart from these 40 winners who've rightly received this big recognition today, we should also recognize all of those people. And before I end, I'd also like to mention, and it'll be unfair for me to single out a person. We have one such person in our team who's put this event together in just 4 days. Priyanka Badoria is here, who's our top 40 digital star. I don't know, you should, as they say, never ask a woman her age. I'm sure she's under 40, but she's in 4 days put this event together. So big round of congratulations and applause to Priyanka and her entire team. As I said, don't shoot me for singling out one person. We have a fantastic team. Thank you for being here. If there's one last thing, I may say before I go back off stage, what COVID has taught us, one final thing, one most important thing is to be compassionate to each other. Things have been very difficult for a lot of us over the last 1.5 years. We've lost close family members, colleagues, friends. Things have been very difficult. And, one lasting legacy of COVID, apart from what changes in our business, in our personal life, what I have seen personally experienced is a lot of compassion amongst, people I've interacted with. And I hope that is a legacy, a positive legacy that COVID leaves behind us, compassion towards our colleagues, our co-workers, our partners, family members, our loved ones, towards ourselves. Thank you. And with that, congratulations again to all the winners. The bar is open. I look forward to interacting with all of you. Thank you.
I'd now like to request the E4M team the buzzing and the dazzling team members, all of you, please come up on stage. I request you to please come on stage for your photograph. And thank you very much, Mr. Naval, for your time and for us to have you in our celebration and cheer with the bright young stars on the Impact magazine.
Is the galactic night,
All right, ladies and gentlemen,
bringer of light.
I'd like to thank our partner, presented by Times Now. Action begins here. Co-powered by partners, We Serve People, Based Marketing Made Sharper, Indian Express Brand Studio, and of course to all our four verticals for pushing the boundaries of mobile advertising. We Serve brings transaction behavior targeting to the forefront with its pool of 4 million plus user profiles. Thank you very much for your time, and we will now be having dinner very soon. Thank you so much for your precious time, and I'm your host Ratnika Vyas, signing off for the evening. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you.